Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're going to be doing some smoked chicken leg quarters. It's a good day for me because I'm finally going to get to try some Heath Rouse barbecue rubs. And I say that because Heath Rouse has been winning so many championships on the NBN circuit. So if you know barbecue, I'm sure you've heard of him. And I just want to taste it and see what is it about that he keeps winning so much. So today is my day to find out. Let's do this. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna be doing some chicken leg quarters. Now, usually I would marinate these for a couple of hours or even overnight in some Italian dressing. Whereas if it was a whole chicken, I would brine it. But like I said, today, I just want to see what this Heath Rouse is about. So trying to keep it as simple as possible. So just straight out the package, clean it and get it ready to go. So I'm gonna spray these with some canola oil and use that as my binder. First thing I'm gonna use is this Heath Rouse garlic jalapeno rub. I've already tasted, has a pretty good little kick to it. So you know I liked it because I love my spicy. Then I'm gonna come on top of that with the Heath Rouse pecan rub. And this tastes just as good, and it has a nice color to it as well, as you can see. Then flip it over, do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm gonna let that set, put in the refrigerator while I go outside, get the pit boss ready. Today, I'm gonna do these at 300 degrees till I get up to about maybe 160 internal temp. And I'm gonna turn it up to 350 to finish it off because I want to make sure that the skin gets nice and bite through. I hate that rubbery skin, so I'm gonna try to get this skin right. And I'm gonna finish it around about internal temp about 170, 175. Then as it sits, it's gonna still bump up a little bit, but that should be the perfect temp for this. Catch you at the smoker. All right, we got the pit boss up to temp. I'm going to get these leg quarters on. And we'll come back and check on them in about 30 minutes. All right, we've been going at this for 30 minutes. That is looking pretty good. And I have to say, it smells good too. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spray it with some spray butter. Just try to make sure we get that skin nice. We'll come back and check on in another 30 minutes. All right, let's go in and check this chicken. See where we're Goes through nice. Okay. Right at around 175. So what I'm gonna do is go on the saucer. I'm gonna get it about 10 minutes to let that sit. Alright, here's what we have. And let me tell you, these things smell amazing. I cannot wait to tear into this. But first, let me go and get a thumbnail, and then we'll come back with the taste test. Alright, so y'all know what time it is. Time to taste it. Let's see how we did. Juicy. There. Let me tell you right now. The thing that stands out is that garlic jalapeno rub. That is amazing. It has an awesome kick to it. You can taste that garlic, but you can also still get a hint of that pecan rub. And the thing that takes it over the top is that Hazel's barbecue sauce. As you can see, nice bite, clean through the skin. Because y'all know I hate rubber skin. Just is what it is. But man, I'm telling you, Heath Riles, I see why he wins so many championships in the MBN. I'm telling you, you can call me the unofficial Heath Riles ambassador. This stuff is, you know what? I'm not gonna keep talking too much more because I'm actually ready to eat dinner now because this is so good. So what I'm gonna do is put this down. I'm gonna say subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Click that notification bell if you are subscribed and haven't done it yet. Leave a comment, thumbs up. If you have anything you wanna talk to me about, say, leave a comment. Also in the description, it'll be my email address. Send me an email. If you want a sticker swap or want a sticker, whatever. Just say hi, whatever. Holla at your boy. But before I go, there's one more thing. I did create me a sticker board. I have not put it up yet because I'm gonna be moving soon from Georgia back out to the great Texas. So HEB, yeah, I'm coming back, baby. Get some of that good meat. So let me clean my hands, show you that sticker board. One second, I'm back, get to that board. So here we have it. Got Scott from Dr. Taste Good Barbecue. He made some great content, check him out. Richard with Our New Barbecue, another great channel for y'all to check out. Craig with Behind the Garage Barbecue. He does some amazing stuff I haven't even thought about doing, so I love watching his channel. And Rob from Beer Champ Barbecue. If you haven't seen his channel, you need to. I mean, this guy, he makes me laugh sometimes. He'll understand this, but oh hell yeah. And everyone knows Steve from Uncle Steve Shake. So that's my sticker board for now. Once I move to Texas, I'll get it up. If you want to add to it, hey, email below, get at me, and we'll make it happen. But until then, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.